Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by parking the Hyundai Elantra on level ground, set the parking brake, and chock the rear wheels for safety. Disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin to prevent electrical issues. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts while the car is on the ground, then raise the front with a jack and support it on jack stands rated for your vehicle. Never rely on the jack alone. Gather tools, 17mm and 19mm sockets, a 24mm inner tie rod tool or adapter, a 1/2-inch breaker bar, and a torque wrench. With the wheel off, remove the cotter pin and the castle nut at the outer tie rod using a 19mm socket. Use a pickle fork or tie rod separator to free the taper from the steering knuckle. Back off the outer tie rod jam nut and unscrew the outer tie rod a few turns. Count the exposed turns or measure the length from a fixed point to preserve approximate toe settings for later. Fit the 24mm inner tie rod tool to the inner tie rod at the steering rack. Use a 1/2-inch breaker bar to break it loose and spin the inner tie rod out. Then remove the component and inspect the steering rack seal and boots for damage. Start installation by threading the new inner tie rod into the steering rack by hand until it seats. Do not cross-thread the rack. Use the 24mm inner tie rod tool and a torque wrench to tighten the inner tie rod to 35 ft-pounds, 47 Nm, or follow the exact factory spec for your Elantra model year. Reinstall the outer tie rod to the previously counted position. Tighten the jam nut against the outer tie rod. Reconnect the tie rod to the steering knuckle and torque the castle nut to its specified value. Secure with a new cotter pin if applicable. Reinstall the wheel, lower the vehicle, torque lug nuts to the manufacturer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.